To dispute an error on Credit Karma, start by regularly checking your 3 major credit reports: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. While TransUnion and Equifax reports are available on Credit Karma, you'll need to download the Experian app to access your Experian report. If you find an error on your TransUnion report, you can dispute it using Credit Karma's Direct Dispute tool, which can be found at the bottom of the account snapshot containing the error. Click on the Dispute box. Then fill out a brief form verifying the error, checking all applicable boxes in each category. Once completed, click Review and Submit. TransUnion will typically review your dispute within 30 days and notify you of any changes to your credit report after the investigation is finished. Regularly checking your credit reports and disputing any errors is an essential step in maintaining the accuracy of your credit information.